Alright, so I got this BullyTailgate lock. It's for my 01 Ram. So in the package has the bezel with a little hole for the lock, and a lock, a set of keys, and a security bracket. So step 1, remove bezel, push up from the bottom, pull up and out, and remove bezel. So I grabbed a flathead screwdriver, kind of pop the left out, and then the right out. It's fairly easy. And just pulled right out. Then on the cargo side of the tailgate, loosen and remove the 30mm Torx. So it's this one, which when the tailgate is up is the bottom. Don't mind my shitty ratchet. Seriously, the worst ratchet in the world. Alright, step 3. To install the BullyTailgate lock, first insert the key in the lock cylinder. Holding the key, insert the lock assembly into the tailgate opening. Align the lock bracket over the hole. So this is the screw that came in with it. I just put it in there so you can see where it goes. And then if you look through the hole, you can kind of see through the opening. That's the hole it goes through. So I held on to the key, put it in through, and put the screw in. It's kind of weird that the Torx doesn't fit in it, but I mean, it is what it is. So that's pretty much the main part of the setup. So then I took the new bezel. It's a little hard doing this all one-handed. Put the top in first, and then I ended up having to use both hands, but it just snaps back in. So got it all in, the lock lines up. I put the key in, turn the lock position, just test to make sure it works. It seems like only it locks the right side, which is, you know, whatever. Unlocked it. And performs as usual. So now onto those weird security plates. Took me a minute to really figure out what they were at first, because I thought they went somewhere inside the lock. But so it says open tailgate, start the left or right, and locate the latch mechanism. Remove the 40mm Torx bolt. Install a plate by removing double-sided stick tape. Align the two holes. Install the 40mm Torx bolt, and repeat for the other side. I didn't actually have double stick tape on anything, so that part was a little confusing. But as you can see, when you pull a tailgate, that little thing moves. And I assume that if the tailgate is closed, you can just push down on that thing and it will open the latch. So these plates look like it goes right meow and covers that so it can't be played with. So here's how it's installed. They seem a little flimsy, but I guess it's one of those out of sight, out of mind things. But I have a tonneau cover anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I put them on anyway. So you can see it from the inside on the side that I didn't put it on. And then the other side, it is covered. So that's what those things do. And that's pretty much it.